Today, we're delving into a topic that's been buzzing around the internet: overnight hair growth. Is it really possible to wake up with an inch of extra length? Let's find out. You've probably seen those viral videos promising miraculous overnight hair growth using everything from special oils to bizarre DIY concoctions. But here's the reality check: hair growth doesn't work that way. The science behind it is fascinating, so let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the science of normal hair growth. Your hair doesn't grow overnight, it's a gradual process that occurs in cycles. Each hair follicle goes through three main phases: the anagen phase, the catagen phase, and the telogen phase. The anagen phase is the active growth phase, where your hair grows around half an inch per month on average. Once the anagen phase is complete, the hair enters the catagen phase, where growth slows down and the follicle begins to shrink. Finally, the hair enters the telogen phase, where it rests before eventually shedding and starting the cycle anew. So, as you can see, your hair is constantly cycling through these phases, and no magical overnight treatment can speed up this process. The average rate of hair growth varies from person to person, but on average, your scalp hair grows about half an inch or around 1.25 centimeters per month. This growth rate applies to healthy individuals and is influenced by factors such as genetics, age, diet, and overall health. While some people may experience slightly faster or slower growth rates, half an inch per month is considered a typical benchmark for normal hair growth. But fear not, there are plenty of ways to promote healthy hair growth over time. A balanced diet rich in nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals is essential for maintaining strong, healthy hair. Regular scalp massages can also help stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting growth. And don't forget to handle your hair with care, minimize heat styling, avoid harsh chemicals, and opt for gentle, nourishing hair care products. So there you have it: overnight hair growth of 1 inch may be a myth, but understanding the science behind normal hair growth can help you make informed choices about how to care for your locks. Remember, patience and consistency are key when it comes to achieving your hair goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe